Pakistani Prime Minister has decided to hold 10-day celebrations on the 24th anniversary of nuclear blasts conducted by Pakistan on the 28th of May 1998. In a statement on Thursday, Minister for Information and Broadcasting said the PM has directed that the day should be celebrated with national spirit in the style of Diamond Jubilee celebrations of 75 years of establishment of Pakistan. The national celebrations on Takbeer are started from today. The Information Minister said that the 28th of May 1998 is a day of national pride and Pakistan's great history of not bowing down for the sake of independence, sovereignty and national interests. The Information Minister said that this is the historic day when, regardless of pressure and threats from outside powers, the national leadership decided to make the country's defense impregnable and raise the head of the nation with pride.